Hello guys, let's install IntelliJ IDEA. So you have to go on to Google on search for the IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Click on the first link and here you will see that it is coming with free with 30 days ultimate subscription that trial included. So you have to click on that download. You will get the thank you page once download has been started. Okay. So as you can see, my download has been started now. It is 1.1 GB. So let's see why there is only one thing for IntelliJ IDEA, because they are going to merge both Community Edition and IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate into a single project. So like as you can see in the link, I'm highlighting that. As you can see, all the functionality of the Community Edition remains free for non-commercial and commercial use. So we can use it, and we are also adding even more free features, and fallback licensing stay unchanged. So for those who want to take their experience further, they can extend the tooling is accessible in the ultimate subscription, which comes up with 30 days trial. So it is a step for our community, like to unifying the IntelliJ IDEA, so we can focus our energy on improving a single product, like whatever the single product they are having. So we will not able to get the Community Edition right now, but still if you want to install it, we'll see in further. So yeah, like what are the things here, like no need to choose between two editions, so you can use a single project for this, and free features remain free. So whatever was the free in the Community Edition, we will get in a free directly here as well in IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate. And free does not require any authorization or activation here. And they are also coming up with more free features now. And yeah, so if you want to still download the Community Edition, so you have to, I will share that link in this video description. So you can see, like you have to scroll down and you have to see where is the Community Edition is there. So if you see here, we have the Community Edition from 2025.2 version, which was released on 4th of August. So you can download your Community Edition if you want, but you will not able to get the latest release in that. So don't do that. Use a single product which is there. And my download is also completed. Let's go there and download thing, and let's open this exe file. Double click on that, it will start to extract it, and you have to click on the next here, then next again, click on the next again, once again. Okay, then click on the install. Now it will going to unzip it and going to install whatever the dependency it is required to run IntelliJ IDEA. Now yeah, click on the run IntelliJ IDEA right now and finish. So you will get the user agreement here, click on that. Okay, and accept it. Then you have to allow to use your public private network, so allow it, and it will start to run now. So don't import any settings, escape import. If you want, you can import it, but I don't want it. So yeah, now click on the new project. So it will start to load now, and I'm going to start with a Spring Boot. So let's create a new project in that. I'm just going with the default configuration whatever is there for Spring Boot, so pick that only. For library, I'm going to search for Spring Web, so click on that and create it. So it will start to load now all the configuration related to that. And let's say if you are able to get this screen, means your IntelliJ IDEA is working properly now. The REST application, like how we can implement any REST application, we will see in the further videos. Okay, so thank you all.